People who poke it every 5 seconds. People who check every 5 seconds for the thumbnail. Next
is
blank. Okay.
you got this one.
Speed it up. People who pick it too fast.
You got this one.
I'm making me one of those. People who don't pop the bubbles. People who suck at making swirls. Now, and post this on YouTube. Nuns, if you're watching this is my stupid slime. You're gonna love it when you see it at school on Monday. But then we're doing athletics, so we can't take it to school.
Look at this dude.
Shut up.
Look at this dude here, slime.
It's prettier than your face, man.
No, it's not.
Both for your makeup on it.
I don't have makeup, actually.
On your eyebrows. Are you videoing yourself?
It's not makeup. No, I'm not. Look. I do not wear makeup. I don't.
She
I
did.
don't. No, I don't. I don't wear makeup.
Scody. Are you looking at me? It looks like you're looking that way.
Idiot. This is Bethany. She's doing her slime. Just ignore her. This is her slime
watch it.
there. And yeah, she decided to buy some slime because we got the chance to go and buy stuff. So she spent her money on slime.
Make the heading.
Things you actually need, like
Okay.
clothes.
Let's tell all of our friends about the
Say bye, Bethanys.
No.
Oh, unsatisfying slime. Gross. Look at this. Look at this. Look at
This
this.
is gonna drop like
Look
poop.
at this. Look at this slime.
It's way stretchier.
Look.
Even though it just broke.
Look. Wait, I want to poke it. Look at this. This is
Not poking it.
Bethanys slime that she made
My model is way better
like-
than your model. You're going like that.
3 hours ago.
Don't touch it. My mom helped me, so that makes it red.
My mom made it.
My next one, red and blue.
Say bye, Bethanys.
Wait.
Bye, guys.